Hi everyone, welcome to the lab. Musical instrument repair time again. This time I have Yamaha P-85 piano. Let's have a brief look. Here it is. And this thing does not power up. It is plugged in, and when I press this button, nothing happens. Here is the power supply. I tested it, it's fine. It puts out 12 volts as it should. And I tried another power supply from a similar piano, and still the same thing. So something must be wrong with the piano. Let's take it apart and have a look. After removing a lot of screws on the bottom, we need to disconnect a couple of ribbon cables under this cover. Disconnected. Now we can lift the cover, and here we have electronics. A few more screws and a few connectors here, here and here. And I removed this board, which has a power input connector, and this must be for pedals. So we see some power conditioning here and also the amplifier. And here is the problem. A broken connection right next to the power input connector. Do you see this? Someone pulled on the power cord really hard, I suppose. I'm going to solder across this break and use a piece of wire to reinforce the joint. Done, and I refloat this side as well, just in case. The piano is back together, and sure enough, it powers up and works fine. Thanks for watching, bye!